Hey guys, this is the Prograholic and I'm here today with some real-time programming which interacts with the user and receives the input and deals with it. Let's do it. Okay, the program is nothing but a basic calculator which will ask the user to give an option either to add or divide or multiply or subtract, whatever it is, and execute the program according to the option of the user. So let's do it. As you all know, I will start the program with the class. With the package examples. Yeah. Okay. This may not be visible to you, so I'll just increase the size. This should be good. Class calculator. Public static void main. Here we go. Here is our code. And to be able to interact with the user and receive input, we need a class called scanner. So we are going to import it. Import Java util scanner. And let me put in as the object in the scanner class. System.in. Okay, and remember that there is no relation between this and this. These two are different. This in is my object which I have given the name into it. If I wish, I can give it another name. I just for better understanding purposes, I just want to give it like input. It's my name, it's my wish. Okay, we can put any name over there. There are no restrictions, there are no these things, but you have to remember that here you may not put any name which is already a keyword in Java. Okay, I mean like keyword static is a keyword, public is a keyword, void is a keyword. I mean the words which are already present in Java, you may not put them, but your own words which are not present in Java, you can put those words as the name to these two objects. So first of all, we are going to receive input from the user, the two numbers which we have to operate or operate. So let us prompt the user to give two numbers, and when you're giving two numbers at a time, two separate numbers, you have to separate those two numbers with a space, not with a comma but a space. Remember that thing also. So system.out.print please type two numbers separated with space. What this does is it will take the numbers which given by the user, and they will be stored in int a. I mean double. Let us put double because we may also put some decimal numbers, right? So double and double b. Input dot next double. The same way, input dot next double. So we have received the numbers given by the user. Okay, let us check if there are any errors. So it is a very good habit to check for errors in each and every line you make, if you know what I mean. So let's directly go to CMD, documents, Java documents. Calculator.java. Look there. See, there is an error. Okay, now perfect. Now we are going to give the option to the user. So system.out.print here we are giving one add. In the next line we give subtract. In the next line we give multiply, and in the next line we give, what is it, divide. Okay, let me just copy this thing. Yeah, okay. Please choose an option. Here the user will type either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 according to his need. Now we are going to deal with the switch control statement, which you have seen in my previous videos, control statements. If you have not seen, please go there. I'll give a link in the description about the control statements. So case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. There are 4 cases because there are 4 options given to the user. Case 5. There is no case 5, right? I'm sorry. In this case we are going to put default. Default works when the option given by the user is not present in these things. I mean, if it is less than 1, default will be executed. If it is greater than 4, default will be executed. And if it is any other decimal value, it will not be executed, because 1, 2, 3, 4 and all these options are, I will give them in an integer value, integer variable. I'll let you know about it. OP will be the integer. I mean, in the value, in the variable OP, we are going to assign the value of the option given by the user. So int OP equals input dot next int. Yep. So in case 1, we are going to directly give an output. The sum is A plus B, and remember, there should be a break. If there is no break, if there is no break, the next cases will also be executed. But we don't want that. We want to stop the execution once the case is completed. We don't want any other case to be executed. So you have to put a break over here. When you put a break, the loop breaks over there. That's it. It's all in there. We copy this thing and just paste it, and the difference will be A minus B, and here what's the third option, which has the third option is multiply. So I put product. The product is A star B. Sorry, yeah. Now in case 4, we have put the division, so it's ratio A by B. And in case of this division, we have a condition. When the denominator is 0, that answer will be undefined, right? So if the denominator, which is B, is not equal to 0, this statement will be executed, otherwise else we are just going to give undefined and break. Okay, there is only single break in every case, remember that. Okay, default, in this default case we can put like there is no break over here because there are no cases below default. So even if it is no break, there is nowhere to go and execute some unneeded things. So there is no need of break over there. And what we're going to put here is nothing but please choose an option from 1 to 4. That's it. And in this case we have to put OP over here because the option given by the user is stored in the OP variable, so we are dealing with the OP variable over here. Alright, we have reached the next milestone of the program. Let's just, oh, what am I doing? I'm sorry. Where is my semicolon? I'm so sorry. Okay. Any other problems? Let's check. I've saved it. Let me compile this thing. It's okay. Now let me execute this thing. Examples.calculator. Please type two numbers separated with space. Okay, I just want to give 34.2 and 23. Okay. It has 1 add, 2 subtract, 3 multiply, 4 divide. Please choose an option. I say multiply 3. The product is 786.6. Awesome. Now we have put an option over here. Let's check this condition if it is working very well. So if it is if the B is not 0, this will be executed. If it is 0, this thing will be executed. So I want to put 0 over there first. So 34, the second value will be 0. Please choose an option 4, which is divide, and it says undefined. That is what we wanted. So we have the calculator, the very basic calculator. So that's it. Is there anything else to do? Okay, why don't we put this in an organized manner as we always do. Next line, tab space, and there's also already next line, so we just want to put tab space over here, tab space, tab space, next line, tab space. Let me copy this then. I like to put next line and tab space. Please don't judge me. This is not necessary, but I just want to I just want this output screen to be neat. It should be easily understandable, and that's why I put tab space and new line for each and everything. Okay, let's now do this. Let's compile this first, and please type two numbers separated with space, 23, 43. You are seeing some change in the appearance of the output. That's good. So please choose an option. My option will be 5. Why not? Please choose an option from 1 to 4, and that's it. And if you don't want this to be exited, I mean, if you don't want these to exit, I'm sorry, we can again shift this loop in again to here. I mean, like please input an option again. For that we have to run a loop. We will do that in another video. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you have learned something from this program, and try to experiment by yourself. Very soon I'm going to make a video about top 5 rules to be followed to be a programmer. So subscribe to my channel to get updates of the updates of my new videos and all those things. Until then, keep smiling. Prograholic signing off.